I saw her sitting in the rain, raindrops falling on her. She didn't seem to care. She sat there and smiled at me. Then I knew she could make me happy. Flowers in her hair, flowers everywhere. Oh, I don't know just why she simply caught my eye. She seemed so sweet and kind. She crept into my mind. I knew I had to say hello.